that's now it says it's limited 150 meters. That's strange. So that's the same thing you told me last time when I wondered. It said cannot take off, and then 150 meters, and all of a sudden dunk.
Yeah, I mean, we can go further towards Mexico.
Yeah.
You want to do that?
Sure.
Okay. Let's try to get closer to the island.
Yeah, out there I fly it in the I flew it in the port and I never had problems with anything.
We got plenty of wind. Let's go north. I mean, let's go south.
Where does your friend launch the drone? Was he out here also?
What's that?
When you did that video with the drone?
Oh yeah.
He was out here in the same place?
We're pretty close to the Mexico border.
Oh, okay.
When we started, and then we ended up, sailing it all the way into the channel.
Okay.
It's no big thing. You got a lot more raw footage. I don't have it. I just give you what was curated, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a good day, but what was cool about that video for me wasn't that I did a video, but I was able to work out a couple of things on the sails that I didn't see before. Like, I don't know if you noticed, like the sails are fluttering on the edges, and that's because the leech line was too loose.
Oh, okay.
So I fixed those, and now it's not doing that anymore.
That was that helped out with the video, you mean?
Yeah, I got that from the video.
Oh, okay.
I was able to pinpoint some areas of
Oh,
problem
I see.
areas. Perspective I didn't have before.
Sure.
And I really should have noticed it, but I didn't notice how bad it was until I saw the video. I was like, oh man. I'm like, that looks really rookie. I mean, most people wouldn't know the difference, but I know. I'm finally getting educated on it. Anymore, but I'm even careful where I bring it on a boat.
Sure.
I had some long-time friends Lita and I have from, when Alec was a little boy, like 3, 4 years old. We've been friends for a long time.
Okay.
But Jimmy has a tendency to drink a lot. So does his wife. But they don't admit it. They don't think they have a problem, but they do.
Sure.
Anyway, so I bring him out one day, and of course he downs a 6-pack before we even get out to sea.
Darn. Yeah, once you start hitting 6-pack.
And it was nerve-wracking because he was like tripping over stuff. He'd fall and he'd grab the wheel, and turn the boat, stuff like that. I was like, man, I'm never doing that again. I was all nervous about him falling overboard,
Oh yeah. Yeah, when you start hitting 6-pack, that's what you got.
I mean, I'll drink a beer like that over the sandwich, but that's the extent of it,
Yeah, same here. I don't drink too much. I drink a beer or two at max. If at that. Most time it's just the one beer.
I gotta have food in me. I mean, don't get me wrong. I like certain things. I like a scotch, like a real nice scotch.
True.
And I'll smoke a cigar every once in a while, or it's not like a habitual thing. But I do it all the time. Oh, you want to grab the wheel and press some sailing, or you want to between cover get here and there? Go ahead, hit the red button and take over.
Security. This is Warship 5. You're conducting continuous turn to port in vicinity of 32 degrees, 41 minutes north, 117 degrees, 25 minutes west. Request all vessels. Remain well and clear of our unit. Security. This is Warship 5. You're conducting continuous turn to port in vicinity of 32 degrees, 41 minutes north, 117 degrees, 25 minutes west. Request all vessels remain well and clear of my unit. This is Warship 5, standing by channel 1316 out.
The dimensional distance?
Well, that's 22 there, and it's 2.13 miles away. And he's the closest guy. So, I mean, I'd like to go closer to the wind, get a little more speed going, but it just means we get closer to him.
Yeah.
I think he's going kind of the same direction, it looks like. But it's funny because they got a point on a GPS. They have pointing the other direction.
Okay, we have one now?
It's really weird. Maybe he's turning.
Doesn't even seem like he's moving.
Yeah, it looks like he's turning according to this thing. It's a continuous turn to starboard. I didn't catch it if it was 22 that's doing that. Careful, install it. So what do you think? Should we tack and start heading back, or keep going? What do you feel like?
Yeah, we could, we could keep going.
Huh?
I'm hoping that thing would look a little bit further, but,
well, what we might be able to do is if we head back north, since he's going this direction, if we go that direction, maybe we can get far enough away from him that way.
okay. Yeah.
You think?
Sure.
Because we'll get close to the border up here. See? Right there's a border.
Oh, okay.
So we're not going to go much further anyway.
Sure.
So we can just tack and start making way back and just see if we can do any flying.
Okay.
Okay, I'll set it up. You want to turn it while I tack? While I pull the lines? Okay. So, remember the procedure?
Yeah.
So look to where you're going to go, 45 degrees.
Okay.
And just be careful not to overshoot it or to undershoot.
Okay.
You'll be in that zone.
Alright, return to tack.
Ready?
Come.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, yeah.
I don't want to lose your stuff here.
Warship 530, this is Warship 4, 3 miles off the coast, 160 over.
Right, so.
This is Warship 530, our channel 16 over.
Captain, I see you off my starboard beam. My intention.
Okay, prepare to attack.
Ready?
Come about.
Copy that, Captain. We're conducting continuous transport, so we will make sure that we stay clear.
Yeah, it looks like now he looks like he's moving. There's some wind now.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
It's a good tack.
Warship 4, this is Warship 5, on your channel 16 over.
This is Warship 4, roger, over.
Captain, we have completed our continuous transport. I want you to come starboard and follow your stern and continue to follow just behind you. Stay clear your vessel.
Roger, Captain, thank you very much for your to northeast course 301, over.
Copy all, Captain. Thank you so much. This is Warship 5-3, stand by on channel 16 out.
So, if you look at your chart, you see we're kind of going. This is the entrance buoy here.
Okay.
If you want to be to the right of that, you can see the entrance of the channel is in between this red and green
Okay.
buoy right there. So we kind of want to aim towards like the entrance on the far left side of the channel, and we'll basically draw a straight line right into the entrance there by pulling one up, and hopefully avoid a kelp.
Yeah, yeah.
On the outside of the channel there, it's very kelpy. So what you're doing right now is like you're right on track.
Okay.
We tapped at the perfect spot. We tapped at the right spot.
Oh, okay.
Beeline right in.
stronger the wind, the more you have to adjust this thing, huh?
Yeah, it's small minor movements, and it makes it a little tricky because now you got your waves coming at your beam on your port side. So you got the wind waves current this way, you got the wind pushing you out. So yeah, it's a little more adjustment. Today the seas are flat. Flat seas.
Really?
Yeah, it's nothing. No white caps or nothing. Smooth sailing today.